guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can set the image duration on CapCut PC. It is super simple to do. Just go to the menu button, go to settings, and go to edit, and in image duration you can use the arrow, or you can even type in how many seconds you want all of your pictures to be. So for instance, I want mine to be around 0.5 seconds. I'm just going to set it like that. Then I'm going to press save, and if I selected images and put them on my timeline, it's all going to be 0.5 seconds each. As you can see, this one's like 30 frames, 30, which is 0.5 seconds. And if I want to change it, I do have to delete them and then put them back. So go to settings. For instance, I want them to be 1 second each. I do have to put them back on the timeline again. You can select more than a few, but I can't on this one. I have to add it one by one. But if it's on your main library here, you can add them all at once. But that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!